holiday season, we have had a lot of fun using Sallie the Elf to prank the Sallie Tomato team in the office and over at the warehouse. Laura, Caitlin, and I got creative and set Sallie the Elf out early in the morning to capture our team's genuine reactions. It was absolutely hilarious to see the reactions to what Sallie the Elf was up to that morning. I'm going to share my ideas with you, but be sure to visit our blog to see all of the Elf on the Shelf ideas for at home or even at the office. And who knows, you could start a fun holiday trend at work and even get the whole team involved. I also took Sallie the Elf home with me to prank my kids. It was so much fun for them to search for Sallie and see what mischief she was up to that morning. This pattern includes the option to add pipe cleaners inside so your elf can be bendy, which makes it easier to pose. My mom Renee designed this pattern, and her advice to you is to make sure to finish your project in time for the holidays so Sallie the Elf can report back to Santa that you were a good sewist this year. Because you don't want coal for Christmas, fabric and sewing supplies are much more fun. If you decide to make this project, I encourage you to check out our YouTube tutorial. We'd love to see what mischief your elf is up to this holiday season. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie the Elf on social media. Thank you so much for watching, and we wish you a very Merry Christmas.